It feels nice when someone agrees with you, takes your side, or is excited by your silly ideas. But agreement is a double-edged sword. In case of AI, agreement isn't even real. The sentences you see on your screen are a mix of tokens, weights, and probabilistic guesses designed to satisfy your prompt. This phenomenon is called sycophancy. It's a behavior pattern that got baked into various AI models during human training. We've trained these models to be helpful. But in the world of machine learning, helpful often gets confused with agreeable. The model will enthusiastically tell you that you're absolutely right, because the humans who were assisting in its training found those replies better than more confrontational replies. This is how we ended up with the yes man tendency in AI models. If you have a flawed business idea, a biased political take, or a questionable social habit, a sycophantic AI won't challenge you. It will provide evidence to support your mistake, making you more confident in being wrong. If you enjoy talking to ChatGPT about the drama in your life, take its replies with a grain of salt. Perhaps we, as humankind, are yet to truly get used to meaningful words being produced by anyone or anything else other than humans. When we talk to AI, we may subconsciously assume that its replies are as valid as human replies, even if we consciously know that it's AI. That's the main danger, because AI has no ethics. It doesn't share your values, and it doesn't care about that stuff like a human might. In short, its validation is not what you think it is. If you're not careful, you might end up in a cognitive echo chamber, where anything you say or do is amazing and justified. As a consequence, your morals could erode, which would turn you into a jerk. But wait, there is more. If you harbor any even remotely crazy thoughts, AI might solidify them, potentially turning you into a fully delusional person. This is already happening, by the way. How can we mitigate this problem and make sure we don't fall into the sycophancy trap? First of all, look at how you frame your questions. Look for any implicit premise you might have in your prompt. Be honest with yourself. Do you need evaluation or validation? You can always add a short sentence to your prompt outlining what you want, aka additional context. You may also consider adding a custom instruction. Understanding yourself has never been more relevant. And on the positive side, talking to an AI about your life is like cultivating an interactive diary. And diaries will become much more valuable in the future. Check out this video to see what I mean. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. As a final thought, there's nothing inherently wrong with agreement. But maybe don't make it the default thing you're seeking when talking to AI. And watch out to not become dependent on its agreement. Namaste. Subscribe.